Do you have someone in your life that every time you see her, she's always so put together and looks so good no matter what she is doing? I know we all have people in our lives like that, and I want to say that she has no secret. She has just discovered her own style and is able to put things together that work well for her. So I'm going to give you some tips that will help you do the same, and there's simple and easy ways to help you elevate your style. Hey there, my name is Jamie and welcome to my channel. Today I really want to talk about a fun subject for me because I've spent so many years dressing other women and have discovered things that they can do that just help them look a little bit more put together and a little bit more stylish. And if you are wanting to know that, then keep watching this video and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want to get notifications of any of my videos that come up in the future. And I would love for you to comment and let me know what you think of some of these and if there are things that you do that help you to look good every day. So the first one I want to talk about is knowing your body shape. I have learned in the past several months that this is pretty important. I did a whole series of videos on my channel and did a lot of studying on body shapes because I really had to get what was in my mind on in a video or on paper, and that was a little bit hard for me to do because I can look at someone and just kind of look at them and know what is going to look good on them without consciously thinking about it because I've done it so long. So I really had to think about body shapes and what goes good with a body shape. And this is a subject that I think involves some opinion, but there are a lot of things that you can do when you learn your body shape. You can follow some of the recommendations for those body shapes and really get to where you put things on your body that look better than other things. And I have learned a lot about my body shape going through that because I actually dress other women better than I dress myself. So learning that has actually helped me to elevate my style and figure out what works for me. So if you want to learn your body shape, I have a series of videos that will take you through how to figure out what shape you are, and then I have a video on each body shape so you can figure out what you could try to see what works for you. And that's what it is. It's a lot of trial and error. So you will have to just follow some of the recommendations. I've got outfits that you can look at and figure out what suits your body shape, because the thing that it doesn't take into account when it's giving the recommendations is whether you're petite or whether you're tall or, you know, what size you are. So there may be some things that don't quite work, but there may be some things that work really well. So it's all about figuring it out, and it just means that you'll have to put in a little bit effort to find that. But I really think starting there can help you dress yourself a little bit better and look a little bit better every day. The second tip I have for you is to tailor your clothing if they don't fit well. So there are just standards of sizing and things like that out in the fashion industry. They use what they call fit models that creates the sizes that go along and how things are shaped. So when you think about that, since it's such a standard and we are all shaped so differently, you may struggle with finding things in the store that fit you well. And some of that is just figuring out maybe what brands work, you know, what stores are better suited for your style, things like that. But if you do struggle with that, you can always have your clothing tailored or altered, especially if the lengths of your pants are too long, you know, the lengths of the sleeves on jackets. I have that problem, which is weird because I have longer arms and I have broader shoulders. And when I buy blazers, the blazer jackets are long. I had a lady that worked for me. We had an alterations department where I used to work, and she used to get on me and make me take my jacket off right there, and she hemmed my sleeves because she could not stand that they were too long. And I get it. I always looked better and a little bit cleaner with a shorter sleeve. So think about that, because your sleeves should not cover your hand. They should stop at your wrist. And it feels a little weird when you get them hemmed properly, and usually a good tailor will know how to do this. So if you struggle in those areas, if you're petite and you find things that you love that are just too long, or the sleeves are too long, even shoulders can be taken in. I mean, we did all kinds of things to garments, and I learned a lot of that when I managed that alterations department, and it really is something that can benefit the way you look and help you look a little bit better. And it will definitely elevate your style because it'll make the clothes look cleaner, they'll lay on your body a little bit better, and you'll actually feel a little bit better in them as well. So the third recommendation I have is to layer. And when you are layering, the fall is really easy for layering your clothing items. And so for the fall, if you wore blazers and jackets and cardigans, then you are good to go. I actually layered for this video. I layered a sweater vest because the sweater vests are really big for this fall, and I think they're really cute. So this is a good layering piece as well, because you could put most layering pieces, even a sweater vest is cute, over tops with jeans or even dresses and tops with skirts. So you have lots of options with layering pieces. I think they make the wardrobe a little bit more versatile, especially if you have some essential pieces like a black blazer, maybe a cute moto jacket, even a tweed jacket, which you're seeing a lot of those vintage tweeds out for the fall as well. And I think that these are great pieces that will last a long time in your closet. So you can also layer by wearing a scarf. You could also layer by wearing jewelry. So we'll talk about those in a minute. But for the fall, I think layering pieces like blazers and jackets and cardigans are the way to go. And the ones that are trending this season, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, are the boyfriend or oversized blazers. And then you can do moto jackets, or kind of a classic piece. And the tweed jackets are pretty big. And then the cardigans, I'm loving the boyfriend cardigans or the long duster cardigans. And those can be worn with a lot of different things as well. So these are just great outfit finishers is what I call them. So if you have a cute blouse on and some jeans, if you threw on a jacket over that, it elevates that style and makes you look a little bit more put together. So the fourth thing that I think will help elevate your style is jewelry. Adding jewelry to an outfit can make a big difference, whether you are wearing leisure wear or you're going out to dinner. A lot of people only wear jewelry when they're dressing up, or they just kind of wear whatever they wear every day and it just kind of disappears. So I think if you put some thought into it and you actually did some cute things, found some things that you love to wear that you could put with some of your more casual or leisure stuff, that would help those outfits look a little bit more put together and cute. So what I do, and I'll tell you, one of my favorite brands is Nickel and Suede. They do really lightweight jewelry, really lightweight leather earrings, and they have been my perfect solution since I love earrings and I love big earrings. They're my perfect solution because they are so lightweight, they're leather, and they're casual. So they look really good with my sweatshirts and my leggings. They look really good with denim jackets and blazers and whatever it is I want to put on. They look really good, and I wear them a lot for these videos because they don't bother my mic. And I do love gold hoops and big hoops, so I just want to touch on a few things that are trending for this season. And very large hoops are trending. Gold and silver jewelry is trending. Statement earrings like chandeliers, and a lot of the chandelier earrings get really heavy. So I think if you stayed in something that is leather or is a lightweight plastic material, that the chandelier earrings will be a little bit easier to wear. Because if you're going to wear them every day and you're wearing them with casual wear, I think the lighter weight they are, the better. But if you love, the huggies that are they hug the earlobe, or studs, those are great too. Find some fun shapes and things like that that will be fun to wear with your outfits. And I just really think adding jewelry can help elevate your style. Now, if you are not into earrings, just do some plain studs, and then add a chunky necklace. The things that are in for this season are going to be your chain necklaces. They're doing the choker chains that are even very chunky, and then longer chains that are either just one or multiple, and then pendant necklaces with a big, huge pendant on it. Those are fun. So, I mean, you can throw those on with just a plain t-shirt, some jeans, and maybe a blazer over it, and then you've got a really fun look. Or you could throw on the statement earrings that are leather with your sweatshirt and your leggings, and you've got that third piece that looks really good and helps elevate your style. So number 5 in how to elevate your style is about accessories. So you can just have so much fun with accessories and choose whatever floats your boat and whatever you want to wear that you're going to feel good in. And some recommendations that I have for accessories this season are maybe to get a fedora hat. When you're wearing your casual wear, you could also do a baseball cap, which has been really popular and helps complete that casual look. And if you're having a bad hair day, it can probably look better and you'll feel cuter wearing it. But you can also do belts. Those are really big this season, so you will see a lot of belts that are just have fun details and chunky metals on them and things like that help to elevate your style and add just a little bit more pizzazz to your outfit, especially with the oversized sweaters like this photo has. You can put it over the sweater, or if you have on the high-waisted jeans or pants, put them in the belt loops and tuck the shirt in. That looks really good. So belts are coming on trend and are a great accessory to do this season. And then handbags. There are so many fun handbags out there. The quilted, the puffy, they've got the accordion, pleated ones that are so cute. And that would also be something fun that you could add that could help elevate your style and make your outfit look a little bit more complete. So number 6, and the last thing that I think can help elevate your style, is to pay attention to what shoes you have on. Shoes can make or break an outfit in my mind. They can either make the outfit casual or dressy. You can take the same outfit and put different shoes with it, and it totally changes your look. So I think if you pay attention to what you have on and what shoes you put with it, it can really elevate your style if it looks good. And one example I have is, if, say, you're going to work and you're wearing pants and a blouse and you have a pair of loafers on. This makes you look put together and really good, and it looks a little bit more professional. But say you wanted to take this outfit from work to a date night, what would you want to do? You would want to put on a pair of heels, and maybe you would want to put on a little bit more jewelry, which I had talked about before, but the shoes helps elevate that outfit to even a dressier style. So when you think about it, your shoes can make a big difference in how your outfit looks. So if you pay attention to the shoes that you have on, even when you're wearing casual wear, when you see someone that has, say they have denim shorts on and a cute t-shirt and some earrings, and then they have these chunky, dirty trainers on, she doesn't look as good as if she were to have maybe a black lace-up sneaker or a clean white lace-up sneaker that was a little bit more stylish and a little bit less dirty. Those are just thoughts in my mind that you can think about as you're putting your things together, and they just help you elevate your look a little bit more and make you look like you thought about what you were wearing and make you look a little bit more put together. So those are all my ideas that I think you can do. Those things can make a big difference in how put together you look. So if you want to achieve that, then try some of these and see if they work for you. And I would love to know in the comments below if any of these were helpful and what you think, and if you'll apply any of them to your wardrobe. And I want to say that even if you don't love some of these ideas, maybe you're not a statement earring girl or even a statement necklace girl, just find things that you can do that meet your own personal style. Some things that you love and will make you feel good. And a lot of times that's all it is feeling good and having that confidence in what you have on, no matter where you're going. So that is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button or a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to you guys later.